Can just a few minutes of movement really boost your heart health? A new study says yes, thanks to something called exercise snacking. Exercise snacking involves short bursts of physical activity that fit into your day, like taking the stairs or doing a few squats. An analysis in the British Journal of Sports Medicine finds these quick workouts help improve heart and lung fitness, especially for people who live sedentary lives. Scientists analyzed 11 clinical trials involving more than 400 inactive adults. Participants were randomly assigned to exercise snack for up to 12 weeks or stick to their usual routine. The mini workouts involved moderate to vigorous activity lasting 5 minutes or less, done several times a day, multiple days a week. The results? Participants who practiced exercise snacking significantly improved their cardiorespiratory fitness, a key measure of how efficiently the heart and lungs deliver oxygen. While there were no major changes in weight, blood pressure, or cholesterol, adherence was strikingly high. More than 82% stuck with it. Researchers say that's important since lack of time and motivation are major barriers to exercise. And in a world where 1/3 of adults and most teens don't get enough activity, these bite sized workouts may be an easy way to sneak fitness into their day.